Hi guys, and welcome to Python tutorial of an alphabet generator. Okay, let me show you guys how this works. So I'll just click on the button. So I'm gonna exit out. Let's rerun it and you see what I'm talking about. Run. And there we go. So we just need to click on this button. Okay. This was created using the for loop. So let's start with a new project entirely. Click on file, new. There we go. And we call the following libraries: Inter and the library for the scroll. And the other thing is I'm going to then create a class here, and this class is going to be known as alphabet text. There, and with the alphabet text, I'm going to also define the following function: enter, initialize, save, and I'm going to call that root. There. Next, I'm going to now, let's say set.root is going to be the name of my app, which is called root. And next, I'm going to declare the title and geometry, that title, background color, and geometry. I will have the back color and the geometry. And let me just round this up here. Go down here and just, so underneath here, I'm going to say if underscore name is underscore and equals and underscore if is main column and it is a root, child of the root tk dot tk, and the app that is equals that, and it's a child of the app, it's a child of root. Then we get the system to actually run. So what I'm saying here is create a main window, instant, and run the app. So let's come down here and just say root dot main loop there. So that's it. So I'm going to save this. Just want to confirm that that is working. And that's going to be name all underscore alphabet app. So let's click on save. Now I'm going to try that out. Alright, so let's just correct that. Oh, look here, I enter a comma instead of, there we go, instead of a full stop. Now, there we go, look at that. So that is my form. So end that. So right underneath here, first of all, let me define the, let's come down here and just say self dot text. Let's just call that alphabet text, alt text. Let's grab all of this one, and that's going to be for my text itself. Alphabet, or let's just say alpha text, that is going to be equal scroll text dot scroll text. And this scroll text that is going to be a child of the root. There we go. And I want it with, let's say, tk dot comma. No, that should be for width. I'll make that about 100, comma, and the height. Let's make that about 20, comma. Font that is going to be equals an area, and the size, let's say about 24. Then make it bold. Close that. I'm going to bring this down so that you guys can see that. And finally, let's run this up. I'm just going to get it pack, and add the padding. Now the padding to the x-axis. That's for the y-axis. There we go. Okay, let's try that out. Let's just check. Sorry, this is meant to be lowercase. So now let's run it. I just want to save and run. There we go, guys. Look at that. So that is my text area ready now. All right, exit out. So let's add a button right underneath. So I'm gonna say grab all of these. So let's just say BTN there. BTN alpha text, or BTN equals TK dot button, and this button is a child of root. And what text content do I have on it? So I want to say text equals generate alphabet. Yeah, something like that. Generate alphabet. Close that. Right. So let's grab all of the fonts. Paste that there. That's for the font, and that's all. So let's close that. And here, I'm gonna grab all of this and round it up as well. Yeah, we'll grab all of these and just paste it there to get it packed. Right, so this is fine. Bit of room at the top. That's good. Let me run that and see. Run. Okay, look at that. Looking good so far. But nothing is happening. So let's put together a function that will generate the alphabet for us. So right underneath here, I'm just going to say define. Let's go out here. Define maybe alphabet text. Alphabet generate text. Okay, generate text with fine. Grab that. Or generate alphabet. Yeah, generate alphabet. Okay, that's the name of that function. So let's make it lowercase here. Lowercase here. And it's going to be a child of self. There. And let's use a for loop now. For char ch in range. And that is going to be a comma. That is going to be up to z. So let's just grab all of this. And change this to z. plus 1, we increment it. Just incrementing it by 1. That's it. So underneath here, I'll just say self dot alphabet text. Self dot alphabet text dot insert to the end. And what I will insert, and that is going to be the text itself. So let's say I'm going to call that format the following. So let's enter tab, and curly braces, my char, and that is text that takes in my character takes in the ch variable that I declared. Close that and enter, close it to the other curly braces and just enter backspace and close that. And that is my alphabet function created. I'll copy this now. I'm now going to call that inside this very button. So let's come down here, put a comma there, press enter, and let's just say command, and that's equals self dot alphabet. Yeah, so let's save that file, save, and let's run it. Should put comma there. Yeah, so make now column. Get rid of this, just make it 0 by 0. That's fine. So I'm going to run it now. There we go. And click on generate. There we go. Look at that, guys. And that's how you create your own alphabet generator in Python. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. Please do subscribe to this very channel of mine. I'm trying to actually get it up to 100,000 subscribers. And you can also join to become a member of the channel. Thanks for watching and bye for now.